In this video, I'm going to show you how to make bold, italic, underline, or strike through text in Notes application. That is quite simple and easy to do. Let's begin and first open up your Notes application. Open some note or create the new one. And now all you have to do is to type in some text. And then to make the text both italic or underline, or strike through, all you have to do is double tap on the text to select all of the text, and then hit on that letter symbol to bring up that options. And now here first you can change the size of the text. I'll select title to make it bigger, and then you can switch between bold, italic, underline, or strike through. Or you can combine all the types of text format at the same time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.